Hello my friends, welcome back in my channel, and today in this short video I would like to show you how you can deal with the noise in your video footage. If you are a use Davinci Resolve but you need the studio version, the new one, you can find some very interesting tools, and it's calling spatial noise reduction for smoothing out the noise from your video footage. Okay, let me start with picking some video footage, and you will see how I changed the video footage. This is like almost 249% of the video footage, and let me just add this video footage to my video line, and now I will start to some quick editing just for easier to show up everything. And let me go to color. Let me try this, and after I will make the video footage a little bit lighter. I can do some little bit contrast. After I take I will change the highlights. Let me just do it a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, because video it looks a little bit better, maybe little bit more lighter. Let me just do this, and that's it. The video right now, you can see him right here. It's all video footage. I can turn him on, and you still can see the noise on the sky. This is the most visible area. Now we go to this windows in the middle, and it's saying the motion effects. If we click in the motion effects, this will open this area with motion effects, and for area where you can remove the noise. If you go to middle one, it's calling spatial and air spatial noise reduction tools. You have to go to bottom and you click to ultra and air ultra noise reduction. When you click on these tools, you can see, wow, absolutely nothing changed, because you have to click to analyze. If you click to analyze, everything just start changing, and how you can see, this is enlarged almost 200%, and you don't see nothing. You can see how it's everything gone. You can always change it, because if you enlarge the video windows right here, you can see in this area small square, and this square, it's really the not square, it's analyzer. You can move him to any different area on your video footage. You can enlarge him, you can make him smaller, depends which area you want to select. And don't worry, if you don't think it's something change, it's changing, because if you go right here back to the center in the bottom where is the spatial and air, and you will see the analyzer area and the number after. When you move the analyzer tools, you will see the number it's changing. This because it's changing your algorithm for selection, and this means it's working really good. And right here you can see how looks the video footage before the noise reducer, and now I can click and you can see how it looks much smoother in the sky after it's done, before and after. I like to always add some sharpening tools, because this is a little bit helping, but don't use this too much. I always like to add some sharpening, but I don't like to be too crazy, I don't like too much. Everything too much is always just bad. Everything needs just exactly what needs, or better less than more. sharp just a little bit because it's enough if your picture is really good, because more sharpening will bring you more noise. You see, this is how I can show it to you right now in this small windows. This means just be gentle and use your brain and don't go too much with over sharpening. And after you completely done with this everything, you just can go to deliver and you can export your video. Doesn't matter where you want export him. You can export your video footage where you want. You can pick anything what you like, any resolution, any format, and you are done with this footage and you can really continue to next one. Let me know if you are interested about more video like that, and I will explain to you something what I know. I use Davinci many time, and I can let you know how you can fix something, and I can show you how is my workflow. I really don't like to go crazy. I am learning every day something, and I hope so I can give it to you. You can learn also something new. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope so I will see you very soon in my next video footage. And let me know if you like this video or no, because I said this will give me idea if I have to do something similar to you in future. Thank you very much.